So, good afternoon again. So, dito ako ngayon sa Tapga Association here in Barangay Manlawan, Tabanguliti. Naog ko diha oh. Ang lapok kayo mga kabuders. Oh, look at that. So, lapok. To ano ko nga yung idea. Ganyan ano ko. 4x4. That's a 4x4 Hilux. And then very slow lang kay ma-slide man na, delikado basi bubabag. Bisan kung 4x4 basta slide delikado, you have to careful mga ka-brothers. So we are here farm. I'm one of the member of the association farm. There I get the eggs, order about the and now ang lapok.